Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Karansani kurabla tip kum ka Shillong Cage Fighting Championship kaban salong hakal pratrik ujilio Hilarity Multipurpose Theatre Maukasyang New Shillong Township kan sasakiru ikajingwan shimbinta jangkinong yakurashin rang berkentai. Hakan karansani kura kindan hadu kat artli jingakhon habdengi kat aru kinong yakura nakeleng kiri India kiban saya khon persha iki kat aru kinong yakura bapau hakan gejala Meghalaya.
Shillong Cage Fighting Championship kabang inle haka arthokra tarik uju untai ha Hilarity Indoor Sports Indoor Multi-Purpose Stadium. Kani ka event kindan kumba kharartli ki fights kiba dei ki nong yale kai ki jangka jalla jangka Meghalaya but kin yale persha yaki pa na kiwi ki jalla jangka region ki wan madu Delhi Uttarakhand Mumbai Bangalore kini gidi ki nong yale kai ki wan na kiwi ki jalla but barok ki ban ka notice ka main event jangka ni ka fight kandei happening I Johnny Nongrum ibabaro gila itu kumutau rang yale kai ubala pau ha ga jalla ga joni unyale persha ya Anurag Singh ubadei rang yale kai ubala pau ko ga ri bro ko wei ubala represent ya ga India haka World Championship MMA ru but ubala ade ubala job bun sin ya ga National Championship te kani ka jingale kai nangai kanlong ko ba internet ha namar ba menta kan long ba itana ba kenya yo ba ya pe ba mo te ka jaga jo por kani ka Shillong Cage Fighting Championship jani kwa ban ai kublei khamtam ya I Chief Minister ibala ai ka jingkular ban ai jingyara ya kani kat bangidang ya sedang menta andai ka jingmut jangi ta kadi ban penlong bahkan yahi kan long self sustaining kan ka you kamu ngin penmi hi dalade ya ka finance badan kam penyaja kan ni namar kam dei ka ba was ka ba duna kan ban ka jinglut jiksep ka babon ha namar ba ngi ngiap wanra iki fighters nabar ngi happe ya ka le ka wan joki ka pam ka sa bat kunjuru ban siu ki ya ka fees biki ale ka te haraju apor na kentu ya bro kiba wan pekai bikin semua ban ya kershan ni gini ginong le kai namar ba ngimdan kam ban le shabar pe kum kani na pe bro ki pa ba ke stana ban pe ya UFC rei mentai ki local jangi ni yo ban pe kum kani kala ban yo ban kershan ni ki te hakato ka janmi kin yo kapam ka biang kin yo ki snacks ki beverage ki biang te ban kumjo ka entertainment lengba ki fights mo te ki yo ban pendut por ta kumba lai kentai ka event kan ka dia kani ka fight lengba ka ban long happening I Johnny Nongrum ban Anurag Singh kani ka fight let's say kala ban long ka fight ka ba khaddu jongi Johnny te namar ila ya keren hi ban ngi mencharu ba hadian kani ngatharai in wa no ki gloves jungi namar ila ya khun menta la dan la jan ar phusna mi man te ngakarpa ne baro hi ki supporters umbhama nginyawan ban pe khamtam I tangba nolor katar kidan ki fighters ki la pa ba dan kumi Darren Kharshandir itu la pa ba na state jungi adin kidan ki week ki fights ru ki ba kin sa itu antu ya ka jing tabet jugini kinong le kai let's say kani kadi ka platform ba ki no supporters kin yo ban itu no ki nong le kai MMA jong ka state te hadin ba kila asrang itu ya ki kin yo ru ban support no ya ki ka te bikin le ndai tang bikin le kai ha ka national bikin poison dan saru ka international level ru Hagani ka Shillong Cage Fighting Championship ka banlong haka arpukra taring. Kiban ya kun kindan khat artli ki fights. Haba khat arngut ki nong yale kai jongi naka jalla Meghalaya. Kin yale persya ya ki nong yale kai ki bawan ne kiwi ki jalla jo kari jongi. Hagani ka sngi sajain ka banwan ngin sa release ya ka website ka ba kila ban order online ni tickets. Tickets kila shongdor kunta kumba 6,000 khandai spa khandai ko khandai hadu lai 1,000 taka. Taka jaka shong ha ya lariti kalong ba finda shong ha kanu ka benta jong ka stadium ru phini I shai kadar be ya ka jingale kai. U Anthony's aim ude u nong ele kai bla pa ba ka jala jungi namar u la le kai hadu ka international level mo. And Anthony's aim pa yo ban le kai ha kani ka event namar ka contract jung karang ya ba ka to ka promotion ka ba sabar jalla ti kinum pat pala ju le si ngin sai I how news number 1 da kila pala ju na ka contract ngin kemen sisa la da ngiyo ban I pa ju Anthony's aim ba le kai ka jalla jung he fought in the last one. Andre Anthony's aim la le kai man chwa ka first edition jong ka Shillong Cage Fighting Championship ni le hang tu la ju le kai.
As Isaiah has mentioned, the event is taking place on 28th of June in Lariti Auditorium in Mokasiang, and we're very excited to host the fighters from both Meghalaya and rest of India. The enthusiasm of people of Meghalaya and Northeast for MMA has been unparalleled across India, and we expect to have a full house there. We are trying to keep the tickets affordable, and they'll start from the range of 1195 rupees and go up to something in region of 3,000 rupees per seat. The auditorium also is a world-class architectural auditorium which promises amazing quality of view. The elevation, the angle doesn't actually compromise the view and the experience. We plan to bring in reasonable amount of entertainment with both light, sounds and music. We also plan to have some food stalls, local food stalls again, to ensure that the whole fight night is something which everybody who attends is able to enjoy and remember. And again, we want to reiterate that this is not a one-off event. What we are working out here is to build a self-sustainable league. We believe Meghalaya, especially Shillong, and has all possible ingredients to be the go-to place for MMA fighting. You've seen people going to Thailand, having their fights regularly, training regularly. We've got reasonable number of gyms out here. The coaches like Ruben, Isaiah, and few more who are doing MMA training in a very methodical manner, which enables the fighters to be at competitive edge with everybody else across India and world. So we want to build a self-sustainable league wherein we'll have at least 4 big fight nights like this every year, and around that we'll build smaller grassroots leagues which enable the fighters to qualify to come and fight in these championships going forward.